Look what I come across. This amazing, interesting looking structure. The size of it. I'm in the pine forest area. But I mean, look at the size of these branches. Log here. Here's the entrance. Hear it creaking from the wind. Just a slight sway, but it's enough to make all these logs, all these branches creak and groan, plus the wind on them as well. Hang on, this is a strange structure. What's this? This is in a circular pattern. What's going on here? No, this is actually a circular pattern structure. Doesn't look like this has fallen down at all. I've never seen one like this. I've seen circular rocks. I've seen rocks placed in circles. But I haven't seen a structure like that. Very interesting indeed. Wait. You hear that? It's got a vibe about this place, you can feel it. It's not an uncomfortable vibe, it's just a vibe about it.